Apparently you're not done. You're not power work yet. You can't go beach.
I was just joking when I said I would rather be at the beach. I mean, I'm pretty white, folks. And I'm Hawaiian, Samoan, and Tongan. That means she stays in the shade. You know, these are the times that our kids are going to remember. Right, moms? Summertime. All the memories that we're going to create. Being here on the water, going to the beach, watching the fireworks. I love to keep songs in our family, about family, and share them. That's the number one thing. Take away everything else. If you still have your family, you're rich. Without a family, you have nothing. And so, I told you a little bit about my little heaven one year. Well, there's a special rain that falls there. It's a heavy, heavy rain. And it's called Uhibai. And it's my grandmother's name. Anytime I sing this song, which is not written by me, it's written by Nathan Abiel, another monster musician here in Hawaii. Anytime I sing it, whether it's outside with a cover, in the sun, at home, in the shower, I can feel my grandma with me. And I think that's the beauty of music, is that you're able to pull memories and bring them back right to you. So, if you don't mind, I'm going to sing a little more about my grandma. Yeah, we could do some big fast song and really jazz you up. But you know what? That's what Aiden is for. Aiden's going to come out, he's going to kick it in you. For this, I'm just telling you, family is first.
Ladies and gentlemen, Natalie I. Kamau.